Today we're going to talk about the position words above and below. So I need you to take out your math pages. You need to get page 7, and on the back of page 7 will be page 8. Today you're also going to need a glue stick and your scissors. So go ahead and get your glue stick, a pair of scissors, a pencil, and maybe some crayons if you'd like to add some colors to your drawing. So if you need to, pause the video and go grab your supplies to do the page. Now that you're back, what we're going to do is we're going to draw some things. Our instructions just say draw. Well, I'm going to tell you what we're going to draw. So this is a representation or a likeness of Noah's Ark. And most of you know the story of Noah, that God instructed him to build this amazing boat. And on this boat, Noah and his family was safe when the rest of the world was flooded. So we know that when the rain came, the water covered the whole earth, and the water was below the boat, and below the water was all the land. Above the boat, there was sky. And for a long time, the only thing in the sky was rain, and it rained 40 days and 40 nights, which is just about a little over a month, but that's a lot of rain, and it was so much rain that we know it covered the whole earth. But at the end of that time, it finally stopped raining, and eventually the rain and the water went away, and God did this amazing thing. He placed a rainbow in the sky. And that rainbow is so amazing that we even get to see it today. And every time you see that rainbow, you remember that God promised never to flood the entire earth ever again. And we know that God always keeps his promises. God also placed the sun above the ark in the sky. Now, you can think of some other things that might have been above the ark or below the ark. So perhaps below we might have had some great sea creature swimming in the water. I don't know. I'm not that great of an artist, but I still like to have fun with it. So you can make any kind of thing that you think might have been swimming in the water below the boat. And above the boat, there might have been some birds in the sky. All right, now I need you to flip to the back of your page. And this is when you're going to need your scissor and your glue. Okay, so you need to pay real close attention, and the way that we do that is that we listen carefully. The first thing we're doing is we're going to cut out this rock. And on the rock, it has instructions for where we're going to place the rock. Well, I can't cut mine out on the computer. I can only draw a picture. So you guys, if you would prefer, you could draw a picture of it. But it says I need to put this rock below the bridge. So I need to look at the playground. And if I look at the playground, I notice right here will be the rock below the bridge. Okay? Next I have a butterfly. And the butterfly goes above the swings. So I'm going to make my butterfly. And this butterfly is going to be right above the swings. You can cut out your picture of the butterfly and glue it right there above the swings. Next, I have some clouds, and I need to take the clouds and place them above the bridge. So here's the bridge. The rock is below it. The clouds need to go above it. And finally, I have a ball, and it says that it needs to go below the long slide. I have two slides here. This one's a short slide, and this is a long slide. So I need to put that polka dotted ball right over here underneath the long slide. And that's all we have to do. So let's review our words for today. above and below. Finish all your work neatly and completely and put your papers back in your black folder so that I can check them later. Thank you.